Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. We are back to Bittensor Tao, probably the second most anticipated, most hottest coin on the market, and I'm gonna show you how to stake 16.8%, 17% almost. Very interesting stuff, because you can earn from the coin appreciation, obviously increasing in price. It's $310 now, and also by staking it. And as you can see here, almost 90% of owners of people that have Bittensor Tao in their wallet are staking it. This is incredible, unprecedented, because nobody wants to sell this coin. The volume is very low on exchange, so the price is going up, and it's going to go up. So step number one, buy the coin on MEXC. You can check my other video here in the corner or below, where I say show you how to buy it in the end of the video. So step number one is to buy it. I recommend MEXC, but you can buy it and some other ones as well. Once you buy it, you withdraw to your wallet. So withdraw some from the exchange to your wallet. Your Bittensor wallet should look like this. You create a new one. Remember to save your seed phrase, the keywords, write them down, make sure you don't lose them, because without them you won't be able to access these coins. Once you are here in your wallet, you can copy your address. You obviously withdraw the money from MEXC or other exchange and send it to yourself. Once you have it here in your wallet, you can stake it. You click on the stake, and you can see everything here. What you need is the validator address only. So to get the validator address, you go to Tao Stats website, go to validators, verified validators, and you have some here. Just copy the address, let's say this one, and paste it. Just make sure that you won't do like the full amount of money that you have in your wallet. I tried that and it didn't work. I wasn't sure why, but I think it's because you have to have something left for the fees. So what I'm gonna do now is stake. I already staked some, so I'm gonna try and stake 0.01 if I can, because I've got 0.02. Stake it, put the password in, and continue. Once you stake it, you will not see it anymore in your wallet. That's all you have to remember. You have to go to this Tao Stats website again with your wallet. So let it just run through, but you can go to the Tao website and paste your wallet on top here in the search bar, and it will show your wallet. So as you can see, I have delegated now 0.11 Tensor. I've got some free for transaction fees in my wallet back here. That's all you have to do. You won't see that money in your wallet anymore, but you can unstake it obviously and bring it back to your wallet. So as you can see here, it's going to start earning rewards. So this is an amazing thing, because obviously you can not only wait for the coin to go up, and it will go up, but also stake some for additional 18%, which is quite a big chunk of extra money. And as you can see here, it's $37. Let's see how it goes. I will keep adding, keep staking more, keep buying basically whenever it dips, whenever there is a good price. I'm just going to keep adding more Tao for the next 6 months at least, and see where it gets us. So this is it, guys. Quick video how to stake it. Let me know any comments, any questions, and thank you for watching.